Introduction to Cursive Handwriting. One of the most important and complex childhood tasks is learning to convey thoughts and information through written language. Handwriting communication continues to be important throughout a student's life. Without legible handwriting, children lose important mode of communication that is still heavily relied on within our society. At school, children are required to write for a variety of academic purposes, including in-class assignments and tests. The next slide deals with the advantages of cursive writing. So you can see the first advantage is it improves the reading skills, it improves the spelling ability because the children spell out the letters when they write, prevents erratic spacing between letters and words. Sometimes the spacing between the one word to the next word is very erratic. It may be a little bit more or it may be a little less. Cursive writing helps to prevent that. It prevents confusion in letters like B and D because the structure of writing B and D is totally different when compared to the print. Writing is more legible and clear. Because of this, the advantages is they might score better in the test. Cursive writing also helps the development of motor skills in brain due to cursive writing. Handwriting is actually a fine motor skill. It explores spatial relationships, that is spaces, and teaches direction. For example, top to bottom, left to right, slant down to right, slant down to left, etc. Students are also exposed to geometric lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, curves, and circles. As the years go on and students begin cursive writing, they learn to connect letters.
Handwriting program will be conducted for 26 hours, 14 hours of which will be devoted to handwriting and 12 hours will be for speed writing. Now, the classes are conducted for 2 hours in a week. If a branch or an instructor is not comfortable conducting it for 2 hours in once a week, then they have the option to conduct 1 hour twice a week, that is 2 days. Now, while writing, please ask the child to first trace the letters and then we can ask them to write it 4 times. But still, we'll start first with the book. You can see the book is lying in front of you. Kids Concept Writing Foundation. Please open the book to the first page. The first page describes the lesson plan. It's very distinctly given in first week how many pages to be covered, second week how many pages to be covered. So please ensure you follow the lesson plan strictly. Now let's move to the next page. The next page you can see has instructions to parents. Please read these instructions and convey them to the parents clearly. And the next one has instructions to students. Please ensure all the students read this so that they follow the instructions properly. Now let's move to the third page. The next page you can see on the left side you have a paragraph saying good health, a blessing. On the opposite page you have what is known as the first day. Please ensure each student writes the whole paragraph under the first day. You have to ensure this happens because on the final day he will be repeating the same paragraph and then we can show the difference to the parents between the first day and the final day. There are 2 pages. One is this good health and a blessing. Move to the next page. The next page has what is known as my friend. So the child on the first day has to write good health as also my friend and repeat the same feat on the final day. to show the difference. There is definitely a difference, and you have to show this so the parents are very clear on what the child has learned during the whole course. Now you can see that there are 2 pages here. So one page you can retain for your reference, and the other page, please ensure you tear it and give it to the parents so they can see. They can keep it as a memento what the child has learnt in the handwriting course. Now while writing, I want to repeat, each page has got the alphabets any number of times. You can see there are around 7 times. Please see, the child does not write 7 times. First the child will trace the first line, and then in the first and the second line see that he writes it only 4 times, because the more he writes, the more it gets distorted. It's better that he writes, and they are easy to learn in the first 4 times itself. In case the child is not able to write still clearly after 4 times, he can practice it further also. Thank you.